Hey guys, it's Danica here from Dano Talks Health. So today I thought I would share with you my derma rolling results, specifically for my lips. So derma rolling does work. There are studies done and it does increase collagen and improve the overall appearance of your skin, gets rid of fine lines, wrinkles, saggy skin, any kind of like aging look. It's also really good for getting rid of scarring, acne scarring. There's a lot of evidence for that too. The way it works is you're creating little mini wounds in your skin and your body goes into like healing wound mode, releases all these different hormones to restructure your skin, regenerate your skin, and lay new layers of collagen down. And then through this, that's what actually creates the more youthful appearance and repairs all the wrinkles and fine lines and stuff like that. So I definitely wanted to give this a go because I am approaching 30. So I have been using it on my entire face and my lips. But I've also been using Retin-A, which has also been shown in the science to improve all of that stuff as well with the fine lines and the wrinkles. So it was really hard for me to tell what was actually working on my skin because my skin is dramatically improving both with the Retin-A and the Derma Roller, but I don't know what's doing what. But I don't put Retin-A on my lips. I just derma roll my lips. So I know for sure that the results that I've gotten with my lips is strictly from the derma roller. Okay, so I've only used the derma roller 3 times. I used it once in September when I first purchased it, then I used it 4 weeks later in October, and then I've just recently used it at the beginning of February. This is 2018. So I've only used it 3 times and I've already seen a pretty amazing result in terms of the fullness and the plumpness and just the overall look of my lips. Okay, here are my lips. They were not nearly this full like before. And if you look, it actually looks like I got fillers in my lips. If you look at the before and after, so we're gonna go through that right now. Here is a full front selfie face here. Here's a zoom in of my lips for before. I do have pretty full lips to begin with. And then here is the after. Here's a picture I took today of myself. And here's a zoom in of the lips. So as you can see, they do look fuller, and I'll do a side-by-side before and after right here now. Literally looks like I got fillers in my lips when I didn't. I just used the derma roller. So if you're looking for a natural and very cheap way, I think the derma roller that I have, here's the derma roller I have. It's by the brand called Tink Sky. I got the 0.5 millimeter length derma roller because that's the length that's really good for regenerating the skin and getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles. If you want something for scarring, I think you have to get a longer needle, but this worked really well for really revamping the way my lips looked. It was, I think, $12. So if you want a natural way to plump your lips up, that's actually super cheap. Definitely look into getting a derma roller and trying it out for yourself. And I think it's a better alternative to fillers, in my opinion, because fillers, you can tell when people get fillers, they don't look natural. Whereas this, it looks natural, like it still looks like your normal lips. Okay guys, those are my results. Let me know if you have any results that you'd like to share with me. I would definitely love to know about them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!